Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to enable or disable the Ethernet on a Windows 11 PC or laptop. This is useful if you want to disconnect the Ethernet temporarily. It's really simple, so let's get started. First, go to the settings. You can navigate to Windows settings from here. Once the settings window is open, choose Network and Internet. Then, under Network and Internet, click on Advanced Network Settings. Here, you will see the list of network adapters. Find your Ethernet connection in the list. You will see it is enabled, with the media state showing as enabled. To disable it, simply click on the Disable option. After disabling it, you will see that the status changes to disabled and your Ethernet connection will show as disconnected, meaning no internet access. Now, to connect to Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi icon and select Enable. Once enabled, it should detect nearby Wi-Fi networks. Select the network you want to connect to, enter your Wi-Fi password if prompted, and you'll be switched to Wi-Fi. You can confirm this by checking the Wi-Fi icon at the bottom right of your screen, which will show that you're now connected to Wi-Fi. So that's how you switch your laptop from an Ethernet connection to a Wi-Fi connection. To enable the Ethernet again, click on the Enable option. Your Ethernet will reconnect and the icon will change to reflect the connected status. That's it. This is how you can enable or disable Ethernet adapters in Windows 11. Thank you for watching.